I'm Dot from Dot Singing, and I'll show you how to install and use the Google Chrome extension called Transpose. Search the Chrome Web Store and type in Transpose. Click on that. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Click on the yellow box icon in the Chrome toolbar. This is a one-time setup. Hit Next, Next, and allow permissions. Then you'll notice that the yellow box disappeared. If you press on the puzzle icon, it will show you where your extensions are. Click the pin to pin it to the Chrome toolbar. Go to a YouTube video. Here's one from Dot Singing channel. Press the yellow transpose icon in the right-hand corner. You can control the YouTube playback within the transpose window. I'll just press play. Now that was the original key. If you press the minus button, you can lower it as many semitones as you like. Press play. You can also change the speed. Click the minus button to go slower. Click the plus button to go faster. If you know the beats per minute, BPM, in this case it's 124, enter 124 in the tempo will increase as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment if you enjoyed this video. See you later, alligator.